Papa, penifo nyumre me wakwaba. Madam was ya mumme hu ye ha na yate mo voice no. Madam was say pass ye frɛ mo so mo bae yenu aba Joyce anso me dana say papa Joyce say name the trust kwam Joyce didn't nya kwa say afia ni so enti Joyce Joyce ya me shira papa na so adwuma den a wo so o ya abo an nyame shira and na say the nkofo ya wo the purpose wo mu tie ni nti no ye nchekora Elizabeth taxpaying deal modu or say good morning depending on baby or how good evening yada say Isaac Nyam abanga ehweye na piaka so ehweye yada mo say papa panti won bra Ruth oben ye bo adom ne team na mo so bra me share and like and comment na mo famra na ye ni eho enkomo ye kasa sickle cell eno eye condition ben ya eye de ade a ede enede eba na NyinsenNeAwoɔ ema enkoda ani ade nti ba me fan free mama Naomi tete pediatric nurse no honansa na mekom ho na ne die mu ye ne enua ba bi adi enkomo said ye sickle cell ewo ni moja mu ne said ye nyame adom akro no aba bedu ne no producer 1 Dr. Shan akwa ne na di nkomo me enkotie bi mra na ye ba ye bedi nkomo.
When I was 9 years old, yes.
Okay, and I would detect your SS.
That's right.
So, what are some of the symptoms? And you might be a man who sell your SS.
Me are na me who for me joint pain. Na me kai see me call hospital. So being at the hospital, they labs or mo take here, you know. And then they found out that I was actually sickle cell. Yeah. No kwenya me being sickle cell is not easy. A thing because you know as an individual, no, you need to when you find out about it, you now have to. You can't do everything anybody's doing. You are restricted a bit. So being sickle cell, it crushes you emotionally, physically, and then even mentally, depending on how you take it. You can have your normal lifestyle. With me, normal, but with me, who say, it might trigger the crisis, so you don't do it, even though it's a bad idea. Unyanka, it's everyday so me with my story, living with sickle cell has been difficult. It has been difficult. It has been easy. It has been in between, in the sense, finding out as at 9 years old, na me yare, joint pain, na yara show ko hospital. At the same time, too, I had school. So, you'll be in school and then you get the crisis, na yababe foul to the hospital and all that. To the extent that I think in the beginning, before we will find out that I was actually sickle cell, I was sick for like a whole year without, in pain, trying to figure out what exactly the problem was, which was, as young as I was at that time, you can imagine the trauma, both me and my family and even the people around me. And that's missing a whole year of school too. So being sickle cell, as for me, has been a trial moment. Generally, like I said, I missed school for a whole year. So coming back, I had to do more than anybody else could be doing because I wanted to catch up with my mates and all that. Aside that too, I am me personally. I like athletics. Sisiano, to me, because I have a hip problem right now. So that part of my life has been shortened. I can't do that anymore. To me, yes, I didn't do. Being an inspiration to others, I just want to say that in Kofa, almost sickle cell. I didn't make me a culture. I'm gonna say a ding. It is not easy anywhere. It is difficult, and considering that Obiani sending a crisis in here, maybe I started with headache and sana menya the severe crisis. Obi so she gets straight into the severe crisis near there. All that I want to say is know who you are. We don't enya dia make us say ojitum ade na si enye sie but nya make sure want to say find a loophole in the situation and take care of yourself. Know who you are. When you say, oh dear, me stress, maminya crisis, you pull away, you try to adjust yourself. Dear, conform school. When you say stress, so it will be a rational. We see idea. It be a time exams are. What the only so best starting term. Maybe right from the semester begins. No one starts to say we see idea. In order just to reduce the stress that will make you get into crisis. Aside that too, you know you need to cold weather and so it might also make a crisis. So it was a one shot idea over Qatar on the idea. Yes, sometimes the weather gets too hot. But you know how the crisis is painful when the crisis coming. So you need to, like I'm saying, it was a one idea. Wouldn't say. In your way, so you find a loophole and do something different that could adjust. You cover yourself, you take your medications, visit the hospital. Sickle cell for your senior then crazy. But I was saying, at least every month, you're call hospital. Na there could be infection hiding somewhere. There could be your blood level could be low and all that. I was saying, we do our regular checkups. Na drone. It gets difficult. Only paid drone. But here lies the case. We are in this situation. You have to take your medications regularly. Anybody who is sickle cell listening to me right now, I need you to understand that whatever it is that emotionally and everything is difficult, but it is here. It is here with you. We should encourage ourselves and then, take good care of ourselves and be better. Aside that too, yes, go and do our checkups before we who obana will say open. Wa be mana wo kwakope obano. Koshisho omoje mu ne hu genotype. Into ni say we AS wo kwakope oba we AA. When you say we AA so you can be with anybody, so you know what you are going in for. Aside that, with the women in my dopa. So I may encourage you say Oba so you are you have the emotions of being in a relationship here. Go and check as an individual. Go and check, know your genotype. At the end of the day, so why you saw the relationship more leading to marriage? You know who you are going in for, and then I pray, say we will all talk to our partners. You cannot who now say open or no, but what they are now in this stuff and near my way and sana or don't cry a cassia or mountain, because a lot of people who are married and even having single children at this point, it's all in the name of love. I love you, I can't let go of you, so let's do it all together. But then we have to consider the children we are bringing in.
Adom FM. Ana Santa Mira kra ho. Yare yo. Na we de em say tina ene ene kasa no na ye youth edema tema sickle cell association. Ti no wonder minim say all kasa no na me hu say sister na wo me ne be ne se boniti gutu se mo adwuma na waje aye because owo mu nti no wa hunu mu ye papa enti we dey mo fa mo comment obi abe 1 minute bi about the yenua ba no kan whether she's on course the all ye no ye mama fan start anti na omi hona yemra anti beniso be 1 minute bi na fa yen share yon komodi na se
e pa cho yo me da se yenua ba na ka se ye essence no no wo mu nti oka onim nia oka e na nia oka iso nyina ye pepepe essence wa fem nti ono no offense yo nim na wa ka kire nti ye nyina ya te wa ka se ye pa she's on course
aminti anti benis
yo okasa no ka se ono ss na sickle cell no ye wo mu types e wo ho ye wo ba ko I find SC and also another form of sickle cell. It's your known SS, your SC form so. Okay. Near what back we find thalassemia.
Aye. Ya be wram nti ene na say yenua ba no ne de no de wo ka di atwa to mo afa na mo asiso kohwe pe odofo mesrew ya nya bi obi wo ngwa ho side baby omo court ya 10 years court no mo te wo keke no 10 years na fe yenko check yeko ayi doctor yi pastor ni mo ayekwohwe aware council no ni ade yekwohwe ya we 10 years do mutimi nya pa o manya na no mo kon masemo a wa wo hu se ekwo wo mo ho anaju 2 am na crisis ni sorry yes enye bete nti no ye ka ho asemo a me ni mpanifo na nim ye sremo se de enua ba ne kan ye no wo bi a unnim odi akoko hu no enti ma me fan start anti na omi ho nemom Elizabeth wa ha na Isaac makan mo de ndada ho okay say no Faustina Yamfonso wa ha no ochia Felix Hackman so says school prefect is also listening from Achimota. Shout out to Dr. Shine Aqua. Yeda se papa Felix. Yeda se na fe ma you atiamo echia Ezekiel Tibwa so tie yen ewo wasa ekropon Beatrice Andon so etie ye wa aguna shedro enagi HG so Adom FM you are the best. Good evening. We're joining here. Yeda se papa na fe Priscilla Boachi. Good evening, Mrs. Maklo and the team. God bless you all. More education amode mane ye. Akosia Japan. So I would do a tema say ochia ye nyame nhra ye ene adwuma ye ya brokwa Victorian so ewa ha say Ernest Duncan Hagen Jr. and so ewa ha say yedamo asemo share like and comment na bre no so a ye bedi enkomo antina wo me yan share sickle cell disease condition be ya
okay a sickle cell disease in patro ye the training
oh yes me patro
we say it's a group of genetic disorder or an abnormality of the hemoglobin. Yaka hemoglobin na moja bibitwa wa who say moja essing.
Okay.
But enye nsuo sa edidemu kruwa. Normal hemoglobin no circle. Yeah, they describe it say donut, send a donut omuto wa botin no but no tokro ndem. Sa netie. But no ewa hoden say baby befa bia baby on befa bia betimi afa ho
okay
sentri ne yakese a obefem intini kitwa so betimi ammo no ho na wa fem no apie no nanti boko ekwa na djuma hemoglobin ye ni say esua aduane ediko mojanim nipaduanim efusane eno aso na kita inframa na ye home no oxygen part na woman na yetimiji eno na esua de koba
say me wadwuma kase woni padua no
papa
okay
papa inti ye ka say sa abnormality and I say disorder na chese sa hemoglobin no ehu atochima and I say what to sing inti sickle cell for no o me hemoglobin no ehu atosin kakra ni eba ne say hemoglobin na ye normal one no etimit na omo bese 100 to 120 days
okay
embubu ensay eye na djuma kama but omo sickle cell na ehu atochima kakra no bese 10 to 20 days when I start say bubu
okay
na ade na ka ehia aduane koba enu so na de moja ekoeba no bubu inti woni se mframa ho hia ne pankwa inti se bubu sa na chese niam bebre enko yie ewo
okay ya asemo nti ma memra anti benes ho ekwan be na befa so nti na umoja no ebebubuo na nsonso da sickle cell disease no ene anemia nso ntem.
Okay, ye ka sickle cell disease na ye befa ne say eye chiniye kese ena sickle cell anemia ne hyase no ye baako ne baako bi me hyase ena ye sickle cell SC no ne hyase biem ena ye sickle beta thalassemia no inti sickle cell disease no umbrella kese miensa ena hyase ye wo bi ewo ho a hyase but ne ye common pa ne miensa na mabobo so
SC no
SS thalassemia inti ye wo sickle cell anemia ene na ye SS no ene ye wo hemoglobin SC ene ye wo sickle beta thalassemia inti sa miensa na ye common
pa Ghana ha sa
and I say West Africa Sub-Saharan Africa
African Americans
inti dey na be happen where your body no munti ho be touch ma
ye ka Mrs. Takasanoka say genetic
ebusuamu
yes
okay
hereditary unya baako efri o maame ho no enya baako efri o papa ho inti ye ntimi nka say obi wo sickle cell until say wa peki bibi efri ni maame ho ana say ni papa ho inti the S no that's the gene S no ofa gene S no baako efri maame ho na afa baako efri papa ho a ena we na me pese me ka say sickle cell different from blood group entem bebre no obi ba na ye test akola na awofo no na afi na adane ntawantawa bebre o se me de me ye O positive we se me ye A negative na ne SS ne free hinfa inti ne pese etie 40 ase ne sickle cell different from your blood group.
Okay,
sickle cell if you red blood cell nim your white blood cell your red blood cell and no free red blood cell.
Okay, inti ane ye tie for papa mu mianhye no so se be ya wo kono a wo mo check ya wan ka se me ye O positive inti no free hin eno no wo mo ache ye mu no anti Naomi symptoms ne ye complications ye dey e sickle cell.
Me kasa omo de na nche bia na ebubu ni bubu yi na edi complications yi ba.
Okay,
na ka moje yi me kasa nia eye normal no edi fusa ni yi but we de ebubu a eye bibi ti say sickled enti na ma ni de sickle cell ti say si bisa no or bisa no enti eno so omo wo affinity for each other omo ti say obi ni yonko o wa hwea wo nua omo ho a omo ben inti omo form clusters inti instead say na nke wo say free flow no omo ben omo ho nti no ma form clusters inti edu baby a vessels no kitwa na no ma ko block ho omo ntumi flow inti omo block ho na moja na eba no ntumi ba na fide agina ho.
Okay,
so it press on the surrounding nerves and it begins to start to cause pain.
Inti no sa na de na ebe se nipa no na ne moja instead sanke flow ye na flow ye no e de na obenya signs be na obehu se we de me say sickle cell disorder yi bi anti no o se mitu ho anamo ne ho complications ya e wo so bia taking it serious from now e wo so check it sa niama we na.
Okay, yanka size no has some about complication.
Okay,
since here kojina ha ubeti pain into the pain is the first symptom. Okay, your rubber na kasa no okan ho asem. When the pain starts, because your red blood cells are breaking down easily no me can say carry oxygen interfere the oxygen capacity no are reducing
from ana wo home no. Okay,
into sometimes omunya shortness of breath. Blood no so are break it down no we have other components that form the blood into break it down obi achiche no ho
ko bia
baby wo my friend bilirubin yi body no be excrete ebe fa o moje mu ebe fa o liver mu akọ yem na waju so bi na ebi so wako toilet.
Okay,
but edu baby a essence say breaking temtem no instead of 100 to 120 days 10 to 20 days na breaking temtem no nti body no to me ye ne sane wo say you know nti ebi ta o moje mu ube ho say na to mo ni so It's almost say na most sickle cell patients in Uber most time when see a yellow near friend jaundice no. Hey, there be a no see a yellow. What's I who say? And Chebia, as I said, Mojane Bubuno, and Chebia no a break. Na home just on your papa. Infection be set in India, na asemna sekra. So it starts with pain, and sometimes with babies, no, and your friend be hand and foot syndrome. Ubeho sakwara nensa ene ne nan ahono. Yes. So sa na start one kwada mo ntim panyifo wo symptoms. And kwada no so sa na ye ho fie o.
Na kra ketwa de ono bede wo hu ne se ne han ne bede na chale go ntimi nka.
Ontimi nka. Aha, nti enkwala ne bi wo ho a from 4 to 6 months no. Obehu se ninsa na chi peja sa ne nan so no te say hand and foot syndrome na obesu sa na ya na awofo na adwen enkoso tie ne o de bibi chichia na ya na ekwa
yes say ya so ni mu ye mpo na
ne ne wasa wejine sa
okay
and na ya de di won baby
so say ebia yes akwada woman super no so woman super no say want to make us higher ni ya nti anywhere you touch and there's a joint there is pain so the child be crying to every touch who ne sa na bibi koso
boy ene ya na di so hie mie na say ya guni mu say ya mfana nto ho yie so ebia ya kwa cheke sa ba ba hwere na ebia eye bia sickle cell disorder ibi na ye hu adofo Joyce asare aha wa piemu aha nti Joyce meda se papa se wonete ma general fo nyina nso agya to ma mo hye nti mo nhye na mo like and comment se the modi kind dada ewo aha no komo no ye sickle cell ene ho complications na menya Naomi Tete Benis Connected donko au nefi te ma general hospital enyumre ye no odi enkomo ibosumi we eye bosumi aye di nkomo afa sickle cell no ehun nti ene hu hia nti NyinsenNeAwoɔ ye Mr. Madofo papa bi ya 8 p.m. kwasi da nwumre bia so de aye 16 no emma ne mpa wo ho na bribia wo so wo ne yen enhia eni enko emisa types ne de antibenes abobo boso kra mpo dada de amaye enti me hwe risk factors sickle cell antibenes
okay the can risk factors are sickle cell no se eni ebusuemu untimi enya bi enya se obi ti wonchen o sickle cell nti odo ho kana na wenya bi ana se de beka se nto yare ana se we de ye hunhun mu ni yare na ye de ama no se awofo ne baako ewo eye career that means or S ne baako na okofa partner ono nso wo S baako a omo 25% chance so betimi awo akwala o ye sickle cell nti ye ka se obi ye career or ye sickle cell trait AS Inti AS any AS warrior on betimi awo akwala or sickle cell. And na ye wo baako SC no so. So wo ye AC. Now o partner eye AS and also there is a chance say mo betimi awo akwala or sickle cell SC.
AC and AS.
AS ni AS. Ebetimi awo akwala or SS because obefa S ni baako no afa SS ni baako efi. CD no AC any AS nti akwala ni betimi afa C no na akofa S no
na ye SC na mo ntimi nkofa ikwa no akofa ya samu
sickle cell hemoglobin yi nipa bia wo mienu nia on sickle cell no mojemu okita hemoglobin no AA
okay
nti awo bia na se nyinsem bia no obema no di baako bema no ba no so ne okita no odi baako ama S ye abnormal hemoglobin C ye abnormal thalassemia is abnormal inti emu bia okita bia no ne odi ma no eno nakwada no befa inti on fa bi mfi a kire efini ma me papa inti wo mienu wo kunu so mienu no akwada no so benya mienu esanse wo ma ne baako ne papa so ma ne baako inti sa na tie
ready here mo bo and if you know ko dia mo me check sa dia na pa because am say no any solution no because the antiben is saying unko tena trotrum no obi dia ma unko tena hospital no obi dia ma e mo jam inti se me papa dia na mafa me ma me dia na mafa na ne ye de ko yen hwe treat no no so ye de hino no
traits traits ni na make say AS say ka say wo sickle cell trait o ye AS
okay
AS no unni sickle cell o normal one A ni baako na wo S no
ade ono no kwa hia no nso
yes
ho no na hia
me de bibi ye mfa to ho say enu ye ti say be ma oni no wafie
okay
esni ye ti so ba ana say si no nia yare kakra wo ho no ye ti so ba won say ma ya no ye dimpa but say nia wa no ye dimfa crap oba ko pento kwafi abontin be fia woni say obe ukunu wo fie enti obejew enti enu wo ho ena esinto kwapefo no so wo ho but nia be ka ne bia no eni wo ho say o kata ne so enti eno de on kire hwi say yare bi wo ne ho
okay
but say obema bi eni ho ena o de ntokwa de ebe bo enti so wo ye es ena wonnim ena trigger factors ya ye nua ne kan no ebi ba mu pa obia be ho say BBC enti o kita trait na de che say bema bi wo ho akata wo so enti eno de bibia nye wo
ba ye hwe test no ye diagnose ne say obia
say no ye newborn screening yeah ebi kra o general hospital maternity ye wo akwala na yetimi eye test ne ma no e ma ye hu say o sickle cell e na ye be ma tiefo ati say mukoye test na eya ma munye sickling test no sickling test na ebi wo e ba negative any positive e ba negative a empem bebre no na ose ene mi ye AA eni mienu
ono apebe
bi on so na wo ye AC lab no ye epeki S no
na wo se me enkoye sickling no
ye HB electrophoresis
so na mo be kan she mo prescribe ya mai
eno ne bibia
sisi a ye pese ye kan because ye sickling status ni dia e be ma negative and positive negative no e bia na wo ye AC but obe wadwen be say na o partner ye AS a obetimi awo akwala o ye SC no ye sickle cell no inti HB electrophoresis wo ho ye wo ba ko bi nso a friend HPLC high performance liquid chromatography and so etimi kire percentage of A no wo mu ebetimi kire percentage of S wom eno so betimi a kire
it's not say so be tie no person o ko check here me ko hospital dey na me nka me say me be share
o genotype
okay anti enka say genotype
ne be kire AA AC AS
nti genotype no dey na eye normal no
AA no
ne normal
ti se me konya AS AC a ho no de no nti no yesa me choose partner no so a me hwe nti no sa no se me ye AC a partner be na me choose no wo genotype no uhia AA tesa wo AC na wo AS a wo partner bia de AA ayo okay ba se wo nim na me ye AC na shine ye AS ni ekohia de a kia ne ken ye ba wo ba
there's a probability say obetimi
ba obi o hono mu a e bia o ma anhwe ba o ma ware we ye AS we ye AC na so emkra na obi anya obi anya
and no can say with every pregnancy no you have 25% probability for each pregnancy to pick up the S chromosome, the C chromosome, or the thal chromosome. Inti obi awu 5 onya sickle cell for 3 onya AA baako and onya AS baako. Inti wa wani chia senia aware ni be dafa.
NyinsenNeAwoɔ na utie Adom 106.3 ene nkomo no ye sickle cell ene ho nkomo ene ye die wo Facebook Adom 106.3 ye wa ha Marcus Antechi se nanije program no ho kwaku redu se if I'm watching you live wo he okay yeda se papa sa so wo hye yeda munyina ase enti mesro ka che onua ne nyina ye ni nkon titu ne mabatan no mesro sa won check wo de enye late nyame adom ye nko check ene ma ehu bi anche so in case one check na wa wo awie ma ehu bi anche enti na enimdefo no wa ha no ye sure say ye tie hu afutuo tie hu akwankyere a ehu bi a enima enti se be bie phone lines no wa hwe a amanfo nsono pa na egu ejemu enti mamemra anti Naomi ho lifespan expectancy sickle cell no patient say yetia yesi awunya 18 a obewu na awunya hwan a obewu enso mini mami bi be 2 years ago 60 years wa wokra or sickle cell patient then won den obi a ye wo ni age limit na
masem na waka no research be say in the US no our life expectancy is between 45 and 55 years. But see dear yanka say because I nim nia yanya enimodie bebriafa niama hono say SDGs no is also talking about reducing or preventing death with non-communicable diseases. Okay. Sickle cell non-communicable diseases. But in bebre Ghana yen share any data to tell us exactly say Ghana your life expectancy no. Okay. This is the age. Okay. Yeah, ni bibisa. But research by your colleague say they had one of their respondents to be 80-year-old woman who was a sickle cell. Who is a sickle cell? 80. But we did 80 years. Into Nyoka so be the 60 years no. Na yampa. Okay. So se sia de nyame adom nim de akwa adapter for sia de akwa nim anesi for sia de akwa nim. Se sia we have better diagnostic tools to test for senior. Especially the number we don't have to do only sickling test. Now we are doing electrophoresis, we are doing HPLC. It will show us the details of what we are handling. Into se sia draw so ba. A draw nim a boama senior you can say hemoglobin abnormal 180 no a boama muye juma papa until now life expectancy is higher than previous.
Tenana unya 12 16 ube unya 18. It is any pan one nyina no wo twen say 18 just ye be kunu before be wumpo but see idea
and check be officer by according to 5 years because then mortality was very high within children with less than 5 years but nyame adom see idea everything has improved into nonsense the expectancy rate no higher
you don't want to pan adwuma dene but me nhwe the triggers are one more crisis no yaka crisis na de na ebema obi ewo bi a ebegini hu adiama like nani na ho so na bibi AC
yeah sister no wo sickle cell ne kasa no oka omo trigger factors ni bebre o se niema bi wo ho apese wo ye nso ontimi enye ne ba ko etimi edeba eye weather conditions changes in the weather conditions inti extreme temperature say area bo bebre no o sweaty ohunsuo twinti you lose water sickle cell when you are dehydrated ohunsuo twin sana my sister kasa no ka say ya na omo edodo omo keka bom into when you are dehydrated that another factor embema when ya o crisis no
so say sure dey
ben wo de bia and aba konso ye cold environment se also insu a enyuma na se yeti AC mu kwa ho se yensa no amomoa enti oti bi also onomade a enyunu insu a enyunu ade bedware any cold things are constrict with blood vessels no emoya kito already na ye sickled RBCs ni intimi flow na your blood vessels na samoa ye kitwa ene na enko enti anything cold a trigger your factors and a stress yes sister or sickle cell kasa ka chen say exam stress on train my exams time on so and now book now it put stress on you anti bibia no o show activities now are planning year said the be ya unya crisis
ready hu ye mobo nanti ba ya say omo aduro bi omo no na em say the bia every day omo aduro no ye aduro ben ya na I say no more ye
and some never can draw trigger factors no dehydration no me the two who say ti say koko a wunua one fancy anguma emu pi wo wie na wo hwe a wo tumi hwe and emu pi bebre so na ya papo but wo man si no do so wo masupa na wo tumi hwe sa na etie nti e ka chom so mo no nsuo bebre se na be ya wo moja no be thin e be light na ntumi do efu sani ye I feel so there you can high altitude wo kosro bebre a in from na ye home no that part that help us no wo kosro a esuti oxygen no so ti Into your no oxygen carrying capacity low that and oxygen no so
into
mountainous areas no
afaja to ntimi ko entina yi kan ye entina kan ye say ade bi ho a entina o maso oden kakra no because ohu de ntia no ho ye na obi ko afaja to no ntimi nko matena set
I feel so stress no esanse nkwada nyina ye de wu nkwada nyina wo bi nti e ka say agrodini nyama distress ba no and no say because of that in Akwada no man in the agro debi. Charles Ankwada agro no is part of child's development. It helps with child's development. Inti also makwada in the agro. But all kasa no can say naka school or tumrika or bobo.
Very active.
Se dia wajai. We say mostly that competition no and no increases stress, but that doesn't mean they shouldn't play. They can play a normal play. They want to live a normal life like any other individual. So they should allow the children to play. But when they are going to the extremes and want to be part of competition or school in Yamano, I don't know what say.
Your control, your uniform. Mr. Mo, Minian be woman, would ye? And it's showing each other in your chinchine, Cassia sad, dear. This is a tripani edition. I was with me 80 years, 90 years. Obetsna Honomonti, yes, Ramopa, na Deman, Texan, and Tetesen. Nice topic. Marcus, and Techi said, the Nidia Glorian Dogbefu. More of this education does say, and also Daya say what dear more Ernest Duncan, so Abahabiam Jacob Lakai, wow, very informative. I've learned a lot here. That's a papa. A queer share live or Facebook or him Saudi Arabia. Oh, Adom FM, you are the best. Allah is going to bless you. Yeah, that's Linda Wagman. So Sister Fia, please ask how how much does it cost at the hospital when checking your genotype? Okay, you better year no dear ma obi nso be na no pa ya obi aba say 20 cities upwards.
Wonderful.
And I reached the book God say and so how share and we ba yeda se papa or does also abaso yeda mo se mumbra na nkomo no yepese by the time e be wie no bia say say yedi won nkomo bebre but ya na say yedi di agro Mr. Mumi yentie enti one drone do ben yes me say I'm pebbios they be like one folic acid and bibisa
minka me be dress me na ka preventive and I say measures are ye omo ho adwuma minka say enye drone pe and e dey omo ho adwuma you start from niama bebre and ye dey ho adwuma titu ne ye ka say it start from the top. Let's say that we develop policies are non-communicable diseases sickle cell you can be and was say intensify policies some old policies that are not working of late and was say you film you from came make a policy ne back one a drop it back one member if no hydroxyurea a drop for but ne ho chabuchi de ho but na say na ba Ghana has a 2018 FDA approved say you use man kwada ni penny for Ghana has ya start say you use nanka no de abrofo sponsor no free kakra ye penny back Professor Henry Frimpong and or
prof yes ya no last 2 years ya ne ye
ono na or spearhead that program no but ebedu baby abrofo de boy ko si baby a obeye nsa enti say they are working on it say NHIS being released that drug as part of so to improving policies that will help with this management. I think so they are thinking of building capacity. Say a nurse for, doctor for, lab technician room. It's a whole teamwork. The lab technicians are there, pharmacists are there, the nurses are there, doctors are there. So now we have to increase capacity, build more capacity by training and then specialization. Nanka first next for a wholesale general training, but now because we want to tackle it whole day bull by the horn and see. Doctors say specializing, nurses for the specializing, so that we have more knowledge in a particular area. Or be a master. Yes. So the research conkai, anything I can say, the life expectancy, you know, I feel the draw so about hydros the urea. You can't dry use more mono. Yeah, take folic acid. Zinc-O-Vit, vitamin C. You can about risk factors when you have about infection. You know about no boy infection. Infection is one of the triggering factors.
Infection, better.
They are prone to infection.
You have complications. You bet but malaria, we are an endemic area. Malaria, saying, and one of feed you on the hemoglobin, the red blood cell. And then also the what on me. Malaria no infection of any kind. In the main doses here, corona by hand washing, no practice in a year juma. Hand washing ye and educate almost some use mosquito treated nets. Pa,
that's malaria bad, no symmetry. Okay,
because it's breaking the red blood cells. Yeah, improving all these things. And no more draw, no more can. Okay. They are constantly on about 4 or 5 drugs. We start the medication with vaccination. A fever. Comprehensive management. We start from antenatal care. But senior. Adults on 90, young can prevalence, but Ghana has said the adults will have said Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, that the Sub-Saharan Africa. No, I say we are carrying so much percentage of the total. We carry seriously. Ghana is having about 30%, and Ghana has about 20%, Nigeria about 30%, and Uganda has something about 45% of the total population. Research Kolebo some time ago, say every year, about 15,000 babies are born with sickle cell.
Wow,
disease.
50 every year.
Yes,
I see.
And a researcher about 2012, 2013.
It's by this time,
yes. So you can imagine.
Hey, serious. And you say, NyinsenNeAwoɔ, Lisa, Nisa, my in charges are on board. Wow, detailed, informative. Sister Naomi and Sister Benes. Good evening. Thumbs up. And say, Omanaba, Facebook. Atanga Bernard say, Kuntina say, Bosomche and Washe and Fieda. Say, Paya, say Naomi. Well done. Nurse and Midwife Specialist Society of Ghana are proud of you. Yada se Dakua Augustina G. Sister, if I love your program. Yada se Papa. Yada se so mo share mo commend you almost so Jumana no more yeno. And you better such a never quite Juman so 8 abo. Apa ho yada so te ha madarum yada ma se mo Facebook mo share live nyame Asia yen papa penchi be be phone lines no na fe yedi ho enkomo 0302 216562 0302 216561 now so nkoma ye didi a kire wadwen na odi aba na ya busam penifo no so ba yen hwe gender no anti-benes gender ye hwe amane mema Mamuna enya disorder de.
Yehwe gender yentimi nka se ema enya sen mema ana mema enya sen ma etimi si bebia percentage no ebi nya ensin ebi
say approximately 1:1
obia one ne chefa let me say do's and don'ts ya ka de ba yensensi so bi e de na enu kwan say onsa eye na save you.
Okay, you're on the part. Now can say hydration. Was someone knowing you be brain no more than to me do for sunny. Yes, your mom prevents infection as much as possible. Any form of infection, UTI infection, and there would be called no infection, malaria, every form of infection, I'm preventing, and then prevent themselves from extremes of temperature. A should be brave and warm, and I will be brave and warm. So ice water, they should demultify. Say last month, and your baby, could I be with 6 years? That was the first crisis. Oh, by no, and your stroke. 6 years. You do complications. I make her say.
Young can almost be
stroke na adults pa won kwala ni mu.
So because of sickle cell.
In the complication back stroke. You can moja and a different way your body ni mu nyina. Baby into complication dey start first stroke na ba for. Into say blood red blood cells no sickled one no block vessels na wo brain ni ma ebetimi ama wanya stroke.
Ma yanyina ho fi say Dr. Shine betwa why your story chenya mboa sickle cell emma enkranya stroke.
Me fa chwan.
Ya record bi otamaje
papa. Ebi wo ha o ma ehun sakola no wo sickle cell ni omo hu ya ne sakola na bubu.
And the first crisis no.
First crisis no.
Already 6 years. More record this cases ni bi ho.
Me ni papa bon common o say
Oba na bema.
Oba. O si so mo so AC akwada no nda. Oh. And no so chilled water no paint fridge no to me bie. Inti no mo name triggering factors no. Inti na akwada no so ni bra obo no because so bie name. Inti question na fe de nearby. So this is the first time they identify say omo parents no crap son na omo wo bi.
Sa inti kire akra no stroke na che won he say na TSC inti akosi say
say no was starting physiotherapy exercise.
Physio 6 years.
Yes.
It's a chief in here no.
The body half. You so. Last week
kolani bi wo ho. O manya deda. Ebi mo kranya second episode of the stroke from the left asaba the right.
Oh.
It is stroke ni de ha nkwala no.
Ewo hopa.
It is out to akwala nya stroke a ebetimi aba say a sickle cell no.
But onim parent ni
omunim.
And one more year near my battery gonna according ebeba no.
Na che say
or with complications. And see, I am born with the process sickle cell level hopa. So they say genetic counseling and testing is very necessary. I want a NyinsenNeAwoɔ adwuma ho na yɛdi but yɛ ntwen sɛ NyinsenNe bransa yɛ courtship no saa na yɛ ba ka yɛ courtship no ɛhɔ mmere na sisi we are sisters in the public say my ntwen courtship no grow pay just get that thing done and put it somewhere na informing with choice of partnership in future who say enko yie pa na wa hwe ho me ma love ne ngransa
obi beka say me fie yare we eni ho enti ene me no yenya kasa akola ne wose kase o oba me fie ase yare bi wa ha enti na che say emma no most of the time emma ne brepa
but yes enuane bi ho mo no mo enuane bi o mo ni yes kenke like a bro no mo ya
enuane pa de yen sheda ni meduane kwa me ka say mo ndi o mo nti say mo G6PD the first no so mo de aduane bia but because of the cold extremities cold extremes ninti na ka say mo no mo nsu enyu aduane enyu whether enyu
and now mo ye SS no sickle cell in general nkasa ya na omo ya anemic omo moja soti nti omo didie no e wo say ya omo bomodi edi aduane a eno so ebeboa omo and because they are prone to infection nti wo say vitamin C in fruits the bia no because omo fa vitamin C but wo say omo di
fruits so can yes a fruit be answer omudi okay now Leslie Kudiabo sister Naomi and the other and Rose Darling Norton so share wo Italy there's a charity flafe and so prom HIA Awuku Monica sister Fia good evening God bless you and your team there's a Francisca Boaben I say happy birthday enkoma hwan okay nti any birthday na kwama na friend Samuel sister Fia good evening please if you go for the genotype tests and the results come as negative, does that mean you are AA? Debbie, I'm saying, Omoka Kura. Yes, they say, young Kong, a sickling, no, okay, my men comfort me first call our one so. Or I'm more to open NyinsenNeAwoɔ so. Hello. Okay, 0302 216563. Hey. 0302216561 0302216562 na onso waba na fe de kire wadwen de wosua na odi aba penifoi wa ha na yenya no emfa emma mo share live on Facebook yeda se mamoroda nyamisha se waje atumo hye mo ho nyina meda se na frempon Samuel H ya ahanti emso ne question ne ye okay mesa about so fa chemi odo me mwajo do ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so
wa
nyamisha be me na mami ntie we
yo mbacho wo yo viva JK ati on top of mind mami ye mo mabaso ni aduma pa moye na de madaruma brofo no doso enti ye besramo the next week the madam mama famna for my yada se papa pa ya na bi wo ho a wo kan twi na no odin enti no yada se papa pa ofofro nso aba odo me mo ajodo ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so
Madam se mama
afefe here nyumre
ye feme Catherine ye feme antimode me circle so we can circle for the whole
okay
and I am 48 years. I'm Adom. And I'm more calm. My idea, and that's him. Yeah, when I know, yeah. I'm Adom. I am a full-blown circle of. And to me too, me catch your be I say, a Jumano, a thing. But if you go on, I be I fine. Yeah, very stubborn and so far, but more fancy. Na ye mo se unkofo no mo wine intimacy e clinic no general hospital no
omunya dey hono man te papa
ya mo wine intimacy e clinic e general hospital
okay yo edase papa ofofro nso ahoma no so odo me mo ajo sorry nti wo so betimi afraba na fe yatoa ye nkomo no so Francisca Boabendi no makan wi ho okay ena Phyllis Hackman does your sickle cell status affect your G6PD status? And on pacho yamfanto okay. Penifon said there be into affecting. Elizabeth Bedu said this is very educating. I really love what you guys are doing. Keep it up. I wish we had this program years ago. Anyway, it's not too late. Please, listeners, take notes and obey. Ya Amando. Thanks. Yada say Akuya Tra. God bless you so much. Net topic in a year. Odo me mo ajodo NyinsenNeAwoɔ so. Hello.
Hello.
Yada say pato free he no din.
Hello.
Online no. Jina ye kakra. Online ni breaki pacho. Hello. Kafra ne line no e breaki kakra. Odo me mo ajodo ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so.
Patrol me doing the press long.
Yo, pacho entio.
Mekasa amono crew me piatin. Na time madam na kasa no say edru bia ba onoma eboa. It's not come that he fana yebenya bia to.
Okay, pacho mbe yi ano de ama why? Me da se papa me da se. Afofro nso ahoma no so. Odo me mo ajodo ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so.
Good evening, Phyllis.
Yo, Phyllis, you.
But I'm person who say with sickle cell status no. A determine with G6PD status and
there be o my no ha me kan say na wadwen amaso nyamisha guess me fit. Yeah, that's it. Ofo France wa homa no so do me mo ajodo ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so.
Well, for one.
Why you slow? What then nyane na asem no na. What here ma ko ho.
Me a victim.
Oh, susu mo aran ho.
Doctors for say. Oh, the sickle cell.
Oh, me do fi asem so na hia pa. Odo me mo ajodo ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so.
Over one.
Tie we.
Me patcho me Facebook. SS me patcho me pese me disase. Ebema en on ni
obetumi anyin pa mpacho oye SS nti oba na abema
oba
adabi me so mbetu fu sesi a mfa nche otiri moda obenyini se wote se kola bia fresh wanya 48 ebi nso anya 80 years 60 years ti mfa nche otiri de ohia ne se wontie from beginning yesi se kura nura ba ebo mo ho ba de ohia ne se obehwe omo ye wanya mfie sei Kafra. Yemfa calls ni simefa just one call and yemfancy. Odo me mo do ba NyinsenNeAwoɔ so.
Be wa fa.
Me da se papa yentio.
Me for there. Me ye o positive. Me ye see o positive. Me visa say you mean your problem.
We need when you sickle cell. We if anything. Blood group na makano. Went here from Ashasi no. We a blood group na we hunu nti esa okona ukọ check o sickle cell dey na nenso you see and check sickling na keke. Okọ ka kire omo so wo pese uhunu u genotype. Nti eno na mo nkọ check. Oso yere no mo ware dada.
Yeah.
Mo mba. Ma wo yesa. E woni problem. So awo wie dey. But still, monko check it. Na mon check him crano so de ento ho ma won. Me da se papa. Me da se. Yeah, they call so no see here. But I say questions ba ku mienu bi last but one way there. No cry there. Ne ba wo me hu ni age na ba ne ba e wo bi SS. O bizaze wo be wu ntama na pacho mutuno fuma me.
Yeah, comprehensive management a ye wo man kwada no. Fitia sisi ade we hu se akwada ne wo bi
sa
ni ebe encourage ne say edro bi akwada no wo so bia on hwe so fa ma no
okay
se oni hydroxyurea so a and on bisa baby a enye hospital bia na bi wo baby e bi wo kole bi wo hotel general hospital ye wo bi
okay
from the periphery
no okay
omo hu se omo ni bia omo refer cases no ba
okay
and afen so de you're training other force and from their periphery, they can also be administering the medications. It's a baby, I know one now on Nibiswa or better me a baby bisu. Okay, but apart from that, no, all the routine drugs on your sure say or bemano now what prevents it trigger factors, you know, and then follow up care.
And tell me, say no, be crumple no, mo boss, and Timmy, some more baby and send no see I will be. Na obi pese ohun osomo ka say you no bi I won no e bo ho ban
ye be say ohun bibisa e wa akwala no ne ma abobosa fa akwala ne ko ayaresabia
okay
na yenye test ne enchire say o sickle cell na o bia doctor o hwe no e be boa no e wo sa nru na obehia no
sa nti memo obi anko pharmacy drugstore obi anko to adro so any kwans o no adro bi akeke me te yes ibi mo adro bi okro any kwans o mo no okay ha na yede besi o afutuo 1 minute na anti benison so mfa ne de mra just 1 minute your time na so
afutuo ne say nkitesia na ya ba no ye say yare ne wo ho pa so nti ye approach any hospital for genetic counseling and testing so that we know our status before we let our love grows and then get into marriage.
Okay.
Thank you.
Auntie Benes.
Miss Omeka say, in Kwalana ya wo babies no. Ye encourage awofo ne say omonfo omonko no monya omo testimony ye wo newborn screening e wo Tema General Hospital any other hospitals no na obia momodin se obeye bi amane ba se de be ya daachi bi no de ne ho kanfo bi ba na odi obi ba mo betimi ahwe say is there a chance to betimi awosicle so la kolana
Veronica Bonsu afiama nkwatama klo Facebook oba ho nyame show sanso na T Monis di general so wa Nicholas Awye A+GHGA sewa obi so by Evelyn Tio Owusumafo mo Evelyn nyame show pass na oba obetie ye nti ene onu abusuamo hia de Salom Vasco Futabisco mo nyame shramo mo amobaye na Facebook wa Adom 106.3 Ohineba Kisi and so by please do the status of a sickle cell change when you are growing, like if you have AS that is change when you are growing there you payao complications of sickle cell stroke sickle cell can block under or chair de mo penifona achre it does so de baha zuresta nana sister can use the lady Minti ho se facheme. Amwa Joseph say, oh, 6 years, so sad. I am Paul, me Kwabena Fred, and so I have share Philadelphia mo or Hineba on so by Rosino Usua Jamfua Yadamose, a Rajwa Amankwa Yadase. Yami Shamuna Bako, and mama discussion I come upon Auntie Naomi Tete, Nebenis Conedidon, Yadamose, Papa, Mr. Yadase, Senor Pan Adwa Mobile, Yawan Combesi actually. Nti ya da se do mobile nyame emfa monkodru asumdie endpoint homeopathic clinic yankoni enkoye screening no free screening do se free nemom se yehwe na yare bi wa kire dia ene obetua wo card no so obetua but screening ne de yam prostate no e man infections no yam ko check 0244867068 0244867068 medin afia amankwa tamaklo Dr. Shine Akwani producer nyame shiraw Jeko Jamestown Jeko at the end to my live or Facebook nyame shiraw papa sa de pachi ene nkwane ahoden ewe mu a yebesehia